In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify so that you can customize your online store with ease. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's fairly familiar with Shopify, these steps will help ensure your store is not only up and running, but also visually appealing and connected to your social media platforms. Let's start by logging into your Shopify account and heading straight to your store's homepage. For easy navigation, simply use the Shopify dashboard as your home base. Here you will see several options that allow you to manage different aspects of your store. Now, once you're on the Shopify homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the menu options. Click on Online Store. This section is crucial because it contains everything you need to create and modify how your store looks online. By selecting the Online Store, you'll be tapping into areas such as themes, blog posts, and pages that shape your store's identity. After clicking on Online Store, the next step is to hit the Customize button. This button is usually located beside the theme currently being used in your store. By clicking Customize, you enter the theme editor, which is a handy tool where you can personalize the look and feel of your store without needing any coding skills. You'll have the ability to change colors, images, text, and even layout to better reflect your brand's vision. While in the theme editor, notice the gear icon. This is your gateway to additional settings. By clicking on this icon, you're given access to more detailed settings that allow for greater control over your site's functionality and appearance. It's always a good idea to explore this area so that you can discover features you may not have been aware of previously. Then, while still in the theme editor, find and select social media from the available settings. This feature allows you to integrate your social media accounts directly with your Shopify store. It's a strategic move to engage with customers across platforms and tap into new audiences. Linking your social media accounts can also improve your store's credibility and help build a community around your brand. Finally, to further bolster your store's social media presence, click on Instagram. By doing so, you can add your Instagram profile link directly to your store, creating a more cohesive brand experience for your audience. This addition can help boost exposure and drive traffic from Instagram directly to your Shopify site, thereby increasing potential sales. These steps are designed to simplify your workflow on Shopify, make your store look fantastic, and connect it to the online world seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll have a well-rounded, visually appealing, and connected Shopify store that helps drive your business forward.